Hi, I'm Lauren Timmermans. In this video, we'll be discussing about audit in Hong Kong. So a really common question that I'm being asked is, do we always need to do an audit in Hong Kong? And the short answer to that is yes. So there's no real reason not to do your audit in Hong Kong. Now, there's only one case I can think of, which is if you didn't do anything for your business. So if for the whole accounting period in your first year, you totally did nothing, no movement in your account, no sales, no expenses, nothing. At that moment, what you can do, you can file a non-commencement business and tell the IRD basically is that, well, we didn't start yet, so there is no activity in the business. And at that moment, yeah, you don't need to do the audit. But hey, if you open a company to just keep it sleeping, maybe just wait for a year, So that's the only condition. If now you have any activities, any expenses in the business, any sales, any movement in your account, at that moment, you need to do the audit, okay? So that's a bit the rules. Now, I heard some people tell me, oh yes, Laurent, but a friend of mine told me that if I don't make 2 million Hong Kong dollars turnover a year, I don't need to do the audit. Well, that's not true. Okay, so where these misconceptions come from is that if you make less than 2 million Hong Kong dollars a year, it's true that you don't need to put your audit report together with your tax return when you file your tax return. Okay, so this is where the misunderstanding come from. But actually, that doesn't mean you don't have to do the audit. It just means you don't have to submit it to the IRD. You have to keep the audit report and all the supportive document for 7 years. Okay, and it's possible that the IRD ask you in the future to provide these audits. So yes, you have to do it. Okay, so be careful. You have to. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up, subscribe on the channel. There will be more videos like that. There are already quite a few. And don't hesitate to share to your social media, etc. So I see you in the next one.